I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, I'm at the final phase of the small saw. Going to be doing some testing on it, and then the final cleanup, polish, and wax, and it's ready to go down to Burgess Antiques. I like to use a fairly wide board to check them with, but I also like to clamp it in the vise. In order to do that, I need to make a wide board. This one is set up to do a rip, so that I can make a board that'll clamp into the vise. Just an easy thing to do. This is called a thumb hole rip. The idea is I can put my thumb through the top of the handle and grip the rest of the tote down here, the normal handle, and use both hands. But cutting this 3/4 inch, little short run, I don't usually use both hands. This is stamped 5 points, but somebody has recut it and turned it into an 8-point per inch rip saw. Works quite well. This is a 4-point per inch. You can see the difference when you look at the two of them close together. This is a 4-point per inch. That's the 8-point that I just showed you. Quite a bit of difference. It's also very old and very beat up. Still cuts well though. Also a difference in the way that they cut. 4-point per inch cut on the bottom, 8-point per inch cut on the top. A lot more aggressive on the 4-point. The vise does a lot better job of gripping since I put the leather on it. Now we'll try the toolbox saw. Pretty good. Nice and square. And my cut's a little bit off the line on that one, but the first one was good. This will make a nice test piece. I can check rip on this side, cross cut on this side. Little toolbox saw does a nice job. I was going slower on the first one. On the second one I was trying to push it. You can see that I splintered out on the bottom. If I was going to be doing that, I would probably need to put a backer board on there. Maybe a piece of masking tape. So clean, sharp little saw. This one is a warranted Superior. It's similar to the Distant, but it has a different wheat carving and the handle shape is different. They're both very similar saws. This one is a little bit bigger in the handle. It also has a different shape to it, and the wheat carving is slightly different. This one opens up at the top and this one closes down into a tighter sheath. 10 point, 8 point. So now I have a clean, straight, sharp saw for the sawtill on the bench behind me. And I have this one that's going to be going down to Burgess Antiques for sale. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.